absorption of water by plants. See, absorption of water done by plants by two ways. One is apoplastic route, second one is symplastic route. First we know the what is mean of apoplast, what is mean of symplast. Apoplast means outside of cell area. It present between the cell wall and plasma layer. Present between the cell wall and plasma layer, called apoplast. Outside of cell surface, outside of the plasma layer area is called apoplast. Simply we called apoplast means outside of cell. Outside of cell area is called apoplast. Symplast means inside the plasma membrane. Inside the plasma membrane is called symplast. Inside the plasma membrane is called symplast. Mainly the plants absorbed by the water by two ways. One is apoplast, second one is symplast. If water absorbed by the apoplastic route, apoplastic route means diffusion route. Apoplastic route, water enter into the rootlet surface, rootlet outer surface, and easily enter into the intercellular spaces only, children. Clearly identified, children? The water movement done by the intercellular spaces only. The intercellular spaces reach to the passive cells. Passive cells are present in the endodermis. They are the specialized cells called passive cells. Passive cells are present at opposite of xylem. Passive cells are present at opposite of xylem. See, in this diagram clearly visible apoplast. Outside of the cell surface means outside of the plasma layer, below the cell wall, as empty space is present, that empty space is called apoplast zone. If water is absorbed by the plants by the apoplastic route, it easily enter into outside of the cell and easily enter into the cortical zones and easily enter into the endodermis and reach to the endodermis. In that endodermis, passive cells, mainly the water reach to the passive cells only. By the passive cells, water pass to the protoxylem, metaxylem cells. It is the apoplastic route. Another one is symplast route. Symplast means inner area of the plant cell. Inner area of the plant cell is called symplast. Inner area of the cell is called symplast. Symplast means, children, here it is inner surface of the cell. If water is absorbed by the osmosis, if water is absorbed by the osmosis, the water easily enter into the inner surface of the cell, inner surface of the root air, and enter into cortex zones. So through the symplastic zone, and finally it reaches to the endodermis of passive cells, and it reaches to the xylem vessels, protoxylem, metaxylem vessels. If water is absorbed by the diffusion, the water reaches to the xylem cells by the apoplastic zone or apoplastic route. Apoplastic route means outer area of the plasma membrane of plant cell is called apoplast. The water is moves to or enter into plant, enter into cortex, enter into endodermis, enter into xylem through the outer surface of the cell called apoplastic route. If water is absorbed by the osmosis, if water is absorbed by the osmosis, the water directly enter into the root inner surface. Symplast means inner surface of the plant. It enter into the inner surface of epidermis. It enter into the inner surface of inner area of the cortical cells. It enter into the endodermis, and finally it enter into the xylem vessels. So it is the water absorbing capacity by plant roots.